Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that arena competition protocol token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, arena competition protocol ACP is the native utility and governance token of the decentralized competitive gaming ecosystem deployed by a team with roots in Tencent Interactive Entertainment. The protocol launched in 2025 to support blockchain powered esport and multi game economies. Arena of Faith AOF serves as a flagship title built on the protocol. It is a 5v5 MOBA game featuring mythological heroes and cross platform gameplay on PC, Android, and iOS. The game offers competitive modes such as Arena Room, Team Arena, cap matches, and tournament with on-chain settlement. For fairness, ACP functions as the core token across the ecosystem. It is used for gameplay rewards, staking in game transactions, NFT minting, event, entry fees, and governance. Arena competition protocol token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 318.37 million ACP token. ACP token is listed on gate.io and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you in this project, up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.